ookean võtab meid vastu kui vallutajaid, kellele on tarvis vastu hakata. Lained peksavad meid nii ühelt kui teiselt poolt. Peaaegu kogu meeskond on reelingu ääres ja oksendab. Jagan neile siiski käske, et nad saaksid tegevust. Olgu selleks siis kas või pardal oleva materjali kinnitamine.
Round the world in a 70-ton schooner sounds like a tale from the pen of Joseph Conrad, but it's the story of the folk aboard the Arto, now laid up in Port Elizabeth with a split main boom, the result of exceptionally heavy southeasters off Cape Recife. Skipper Walters and his wife enjoy a life that is the salt of adventure. Their little son Teddy, who went to sea at the age of 6 weeks, has set foot on land only about a dozen times, each time in a different country. He's already a hardened sailor.
I guess you would say it was his road to an adventurous life. If he hadn't been a sailor, he would have been a mountain climber. Oh my goodness. That's the old man. That's my father, I'm sure. It's not like any pictures I've seen of him. They're both so young, they look like, teenagers. Where on earth did you get this?